Burnout isn't a mindset problem. It is not because you're weak or unmotivated or doing something wrong. Burnout is a nervous system problem. And that is why thinking harder, pushing more, or taking a short break doesn't fix it. What does help is how we can work with nature. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 5 natural elements: earth, space, fire, air, and water, and show you simple micro practices which you can do by yourself, and you can use it to recover from burnout without quitting your work or your ambition. Stay till the end because the last element, space, often changes how people view success as. So let's get started. So talking about the earth element. So when you're burnt out, your system does not need motivation, it needs stability. Earth is the element of grounding, safety, and support. Think trees, soil, rock. They are slow, steady, and dependable. Burnout usually pulls us out of our bodies and traps us in our heads. Earth brings you back to physical safety. And here is the key. Nature doesn't rush recovery, and neither should you. The micro practice here is stand barefoot on the ground. You can walk on the mud or the lawn or the grass, or lean against a tree, or sit at the bottom of the tree. Breathe low and slow for 60 seconds or more. No fixing, just feeling supported. Well, do comment as to how you felt with the grounding exercise. Well, moving to the water element. If you feel emotionally drained, then water is medicine. Burnout isn't just about workload. It often carries unprocessed emotions like frustration, pleasure, grief. Water supports release without needing words. You don't have to understand your emotions while you let them move. In fact, trying to analyze emotions too much probably could keep you stuck. So the micro practice here is sit by a water body, or you could take a conscious shower, and you could ask yourself, what am I ready to let go of today? No forcing, just allowing. Do comment as to how you felt while doing this. So moving on to our third element, fire. Burnout isn't a lack of passion, it is misdirected fire. Fire is your drive, creativity, and life force. In burnout, fire is either suppressed or burnt out. Nature teaches us something. Fire needs rest and fuel and not pressure. Let's do our micro practice. You could sit in the sunlight or by a candle and place your hand on your chest. Close your eyes and ask yourself, what energizes me today? Or rather, what energizes me at this point in time? And not ask, what should I be doing? Do comment once you experience this. Well, moving on to the element of air. Overthinking is a sign you need air, not answers. Burnout clogs the mind. Air brings in perspective, space, and breath. Movement and fresh air helps your thoughts to reorganize naturally. Clarity doesn't come from forcing solutions. It comes from circulation. The micro practice here is go out for a walk, inhale for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 seconds. You could do this for a minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and let your mind wander, and no problem solving while you're doing this. Do let me know in comments as to how this walk felt for you. So coming to our last and final element, space. Burnout is often an invitation to expand, not quit. Space is the element of intuition, purpose, and meaning. And it asks a deeper question. Is this version of success still true for you? Nature holds space without judgment. It doesn't rush answers. It allows truth to surface on its own. So the micro practice here is sit in silence today with no phone, no other inputs. If a day seems too long, you could do it for a few hours or for an hour to start with, and ask yourself what wants to change. Do let me know in comments as to how you felt sitting in silence and what all did come up. So burnout doesn't mean you have failed. It means your system is asking for a different way. If you are a professional or an entrepreneur who wants to recover energy, clarity, purpose, passion, nature can be your powerful ally. If this resonated with you, do like, do subscribe, and do share it with people who would want to see this now. You don't need to push harder, you need to come back into alignment.